Hey, this is Jeremy with Labeling Equipment Specialist, and we have our newest machine about ready to ship out here. This is a 18 station Canmatic, and it's going to be set up to run 5 different container diameters. So they're going to have 5 different sets of change parts here. This machine will run 600 cans a minute. And we still have our protective film over the guard doors. But this machine is a little bit different in that we've got 5 different container diameters. So to cut down on changeover time, instead of having to change the sprockets out for each individual container diameter, we've put in a motorized table belt. So right now the table belt, as you can see, is not moving at all. So that would be their smallest diameter container. Now if they're going to go to a larger container, then they would be able to, in the operator control screen, go to another size. And we've got all 5 of them here. Let's say, for instance, we want to go with this one. We just push the button, and now we can see that the bottle table belt is moving with the sprockets, meaning that the bottle plates are turning a little bit slower. So that's one of the newest things we've been putting on these machines, just to cut out changeover time. So this machine's ready to go. If you have any interest in a motorized table belt like this to cut down on changeover time, just look us up and give us a call.